just needs a quick alteration. It's like baggy on both sides. So we're going to stitch that up right now. Gorgeous darlings. So yes, it's me, Alex Keeper. I'm going to bring you along on a little quick get ready with me boho chic. Let's talk about two things straight away. Lighting. It's disgusting. It's really early, so I'm going out really early today to meet a beautiful content creator. She actually has the most amazing jewelry collection. That's what she does. Her jewelry business is beyond stunning. If I get a chance, I might put some inserts in later, but I just wanted to bring you along with getting ready. So I'm going with, look, I've got these really bright coral. Oh, I've scratched one. Oh my goodness, I need to fix that. Anyway, bright coral, beautiful nails on today. So I'd like to go with the CHIC coral lipstick, but I'm going to pop on a Rimmel stain first because this will stain my lips all day and this will work brilliantly. So we're going to go with that. I also need, oh, this might do it. I need a slightly warmer liner. So I hope you're all doing really well. I'm hoping to wear my cowgirl hat today. You can drink, correct? So that's just warmed up the liner a little bit because it was quite dark brown. We're going to pop some stain on, and then while the stain is just curing and warming up a little bit, I'm going to continue straightening my hair. It's a really bright stain. And we're just going to go in with a thin layer because literally I'm using this like a stain. I'm going to pop that here. I'm going to take that with me today. But we just need to let that dry off a bit. It looks quite dark compared to my lip line, but I'm going to go over the lip line. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's start straightening my hair. So, oh, it's really hot and warm here in the UK at the minute. I'm praying that my hair is actually going to straighten and even stay straight. I'm not even convinced, to be honest. It's so, like, the air is so moist at the minute. Oh, I hate that word. Does anyone else hate that word? Right, that's looking better already. Okay, but I just don't know. It's so, like, it's literally damp. The air is like damp because it's still quite early. So there's every chance that my hair is going to curl up and be all over the place by the time we're finished. Right, what I'll do, because I don't want to bore you, it's boring watching me just drying my hair and straightening it. Right, I'm going to find the other liner, pop the rest of the lipstick on, and then just show you what that looks like. Alright, so I've just finished straightening my hair. Got a few stragglers. There's always a few, isn't there? Okay, so we've gone very flat, very straight today. A bit unusual for me. I know I do like to do it all frizzy and fluffy and curly, but today we're just going really straight. I think my ends could do with a trim before I go out. Okay, let's show you the outfit. So I'm going to bring you in and just run you through the jewellery that I want to wear today. 3 rings on this hand, 3 rings on this. You know that I love layering when it comes to putting an outfit together. Let's spin you around and look at the rest of it. Okay, so we've got a lovely chunky bracelet, like a buffed gold, some, I'm not sure if I'm wearing all of this or some of this, some layered beading. These earrings are stunning. I really want to wear these today. So this is my sun and moon earrings, a couple of gold. I might go with gold, and then I can't decide whether to wear a layered number like this or just a long beaded necklace. But when I put the whole outfit together, I'm going to show you. This is the stunning number I'm hoping to wear today. So we've got a pretty, it's really old, satin champagne long dress. I would like to wear my tasseled like over shirt, and we're hoping, if possible, ta-da, to bring in a hat. Let's see if this all comes together. Typically, and always just when I'm going to leave the house, I've realised this dress needs a quick alteration. It's like baggy on both sides. So we're going to stitch that up right now. So I'm just going to put a small dart just here on the edge, because that's the bit that was just sticking out not very well. And I alter, honestly, probably about 90% of my clothing. So if you think that, oh, you know, why does nothing ever fit me properly? Everything always fits these models just perfectly. That's not true. Honestly, we have to alter things all the time. Anyway, on a side note and highly amusing, you are being held up, genuinely, between my boobs today. Yep, couldn't find anything to get this camera angle. Honestly, if I was filming this from another angle, you would be peeing your pants right now. You're genuinely squished in, nice and firm. I mean, who knew? This is like a new filming thing for me now. I know that I can do anything from this angle. So, I will go over that again, but basically, just a little triangular dart, just running there. And once I've done that on both sides, that will just tuck that in, and it won't look like it's sticking out so much. Right, it's going to be a very quick overview of the outfit. So I was going with the hat, but honestly, you tell me, I think that's just, yeah, it's just overkill. I don't need it. So we're not doing that today. We're just going with this little cute outfit. What do you think? I laid up a little bit of blue to pull out from this lovely, you've seen this before, I've put it in with jeans, and this is just another way to rock it up. Going with my cowgirl boots because it's very overcast. I could have gone sandals, but you know, I'm in London all day. I think these are going to be super comfortable. And I just think this, whew, it's looking gorgeous, right? Okay, so outfit of the day, and I'll bring you along with what I get up to in London. Oh, thank you for coming in today. So all the jewellery together, we've got these fabulous earrings. This is as Western modern boho chic as it gets. And you've got some gorgeous jewellery there. It's the layering. I say it all the time, but it's true. It's the layering. Layer everything and you're just going to get the most fabulous look. This gold dress that's been in my wardrobe for 50 million years. Who knew it was going to work so well today? All right, I'll bring you along. Well, I am sure it's evident from the big smile on my face that I had the most delightful day in London. The weather was glorious, and my friend Lara, she is amazing, been friends for 20 years. We had the most gorgeous lunch in Chinatown. I would love to see you here on my channel more. It's a small channel, so please do like, subscribe, and thank you so much for staying with me to the end. If this video has brought you some styling ideas or something interesting, please do leave a comment, as I absolutely love to hear what your thoughts are. Take care and see you very soon.